is that we get 950 grams of copper sulfate and it reacts with 460 grams of zinc. And the question is, what is the theoretical yield of copper? And if 295 grams of copper are obtained from this reaction, what is the percent yield? So I went ahead and I wrote out the chemical equation here. And as you can see, it's all singular, so all of our molar ratios will be 1:1 today. And I went ahead and figured out the molar mass of copper sulfate and zinc. So to figure out our moles in the reaction, we need to multiply each of these masses of copper sulfate and zinc by their molar mass, or actually divide them, I should say. So we have 1 mole over 159.62 grams. And then, as I stated earlier, all of our molar ratios are 1:1. So when we do this calculation, we get 5.95 moles. Correction, will be 5.95 moles of copper, not copper sulfate, and then we move down to zinc. So the molar mass of zinc is 65.39. And it's over 1 mole. And once again, 1:1 molar ratio. And then this gets us to 7.03 moles. 7.03 moles of copper instead of zinc. So since this right here is the moles of copper sulfate is smaller than our zinc, that will be our limiting factor. So what you want to do next is you want to take your moles of copper sulfate and multiply that by its molar mass, because to figure out copper, or multiply it by the molar mass of copper. So then these will cancel, and that gets you to 378.12 grams. 12 grams. So 378.12 grams is our theoretical yield. So in theory, that's how much we should be getting from our reaction. But as seen up here, we get 295.8 grams of copper. So if you take 295.8 and divide that by a theoretical yield, which is 378.12. And that will get you your percent yield, which happens to be 78.23%.
It'll be 0.7823 before the multiplication of 100.
Oh yes, correct.
There you have it, percent yield.
Okay.